Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Today we will show you how to use the diagnostic mode on this Whirlpool electric dryer. Now let's begin. To enter diagnostic mode, we're going to pick 3 buttons. Doesn't matter which 3, as long as they're not the power or the start. So we're going to hit normal, quick, and delicate 3 times in a row. All of the lights on the UI will come on, including the 888 in the display, and then everything will turn off except for the 3 numbers in the display. Each button has 2 separate functions. The first button that we pressed, if we press it once, we'll activate the UI buttons, and we'll show you which one is not working. You can go through and turn them all on and off. And if you hit the power button again, it will cancel out of the function. We do that sequence dance again. It'll put us back into diagnostic mode. If you hold the normal button, the first button that we picked, for 5 seconds, it will exit out of the diagnostic mode. If we had an error code, as soon as we would go into diagnostic mode, that error would pop up. And if we wanted to scroll through our errors, we would push our 3rd button, and it would advance to the next diagnostic error code. Since there are no stored error codes, it sounds 3 beeps. And to perform the diagnostic test, we hit our 2nd button once. The start button will flash. We hit that. And it goes through and it checks our L1 voltage, L2 voltage, and heater voltage. And then it also tells us what our airflow is. And to exit out of that, we just hit the power button and it puts us back into standby mode. There are 13 error codes that could display. Refer to the text sheet for a list of all error codes. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.